Students, in previous video we studied practice set 3.4. First 5 example we can solve. Now we solve example number 6. Right? See here, prove that if the bisector of angle BAC of triangle ABC is perpendicular to side BC. Means first we draw the figure. This triangle is given. Bisector of this triangle ABC is given. Bisector of BAC. This is bisector is given. Bisector means angle bisector is perpendicular to side BC. This is perpendicular to side BC. Then prove that this is an isosceles triangle. Means to prove the isosceles triangle means its two sides are congruent. Means our aim is to prove that AB congruent AC. These two sides are congruent. This is our aim, means to prove. How can we prove this? If we prove these two triangles are congruent, then we say that AB congruent AC. Means how can prove? See here, prove. Let's consider two triangles. In triangle ADB and triangle ADC, angle BAD congruent angle CAD. This is given because it is a bisector. Statement first. Second, AD is common to both the sides. AD congruent AD, common side. And third, see here, angle D is 90, therefore it is also 90 degree. Angle ADB congruent angle ADC, each has 90 degree measure. Each is 90 degree. Therefore this triangle is congruent by test ASA. Triangle ADB congruent triangle ADC by the test ASA. If these two triangles are congruent, then the corresponding sides are congruent. Therefore AB is equal to AC, corresponding sides of congruent triangle. Therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now we study example number 7. In this example, these two sides are congruent. Our aim is to prove that PS greater than PQ. Now remember that if PS greater, to prove, means its opposite angle Q to greater than opposite angle S. मला हे दोन म्हणजे बघा, ही PS मोठी दाखवायची आहे कुणापेक्षा, PQ पेक्षा. PS मोठी म्हणजे त्याच्या समोरचा कोण मोठा आणि PQ स्मॉल म्हणजे त्याच्या समोरचा अँगल स्मॉल. याचा मला वापर करायचा, म्हणजे हे सिद्ध करायचं आहे. मग आता इथं सुरुवात करूया. याची सुरुवात करूया. म्हणजे काय लिहिणार मी? लेट सेगमेंट PR कॉन्ग्रुएंट सेगमेंट PQ हे दिले आपल्याला या ट्रायंगलमध्ये. म्हणजे हे त्यांचे हे जे दोन अँगल आहेत, बेस अँगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट असणार आहेत. याला स्टेटमेंट नंबर 1 देऊया. अँगल PQR इज इक्वल टू अँगल PRQ. इथं कारण काय द्यायचं? आयसोस्केल्स ट्रायंगल थेरम. इथं रिझन द्या. आयसोस्केल्स triangle theorem. But remember that this angle is bisector of this exterior angle of this triangle. Angle PRQ is exterior of angle PRS, and every exterior angle is greater than its remote interior angle. From statement number 2, angle PRQ greater than angle PSR, reason by property of exterior angle. Now see here, this angle is greater than PSR. This is greater than this angle. But PRQ congruent to PQR. Now we replace PRQ by PQR. These two angles are congruent. Now we replace this, write down PQR in this here. Means angle, we replace PRQ by PQR. PQR greater than angle PSQ. Now we prove angle Q greater than angle S. That is angle Q greater than angle S. Then by property of inequality of angle center angle Q greater, then its opposite side is greater. Therefore side or segment PS greater than segment PQ. Reason, side opposite to greater angle is greater. Reason. Therefore we prove this. Now we see example number 8. In this example, see here, segment AD and AE, B, these two we can prove congruent, but given part is AE congruent BD. These two are congruent and each is right angle. Now see here, in this right angle and in this right angle, if these two right angles are congruent, means in right angle triangle ADB and triangle ADB and triangle AEB. Our aim is to prove that AD congruent B, means to prove these two triangles. First parts, AE is equal to BD, means these two sides are congruent given. Second, now see here, if this is right angle, then side opposite to right angle is called as hypotenuse. Also see here, this is right angle, then its opposite side means AB, this is hypotenuse. This hypotenuse congruent to both these sides, means hypotenuse AB congruent hypotenuse AB. This is common side. Therefore these two triangles are congruent. Hypotenuse side test. Triangle ADB congruent triangle AEB. Reason, hypotenuse side test. And remember that if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding sides are congruent. Therefore segment AD congruent segment B. Reason, corresponding sides of congruent triangle. Means only prove these two triangles are congruent, then we prove the AD congruent B, corresponding sides of congruent triangle. Here practice set 3.4 is completed.